Alright, in this video we are going to be simplifying algebraic expressions. First thing you need to know is like terms, or the definition of what that is. Like terms, they have the same variable raised to the same exponent. Right? Same variable with the same exponent. Those are like terms. And once you have like terms, that's when you can add or subtract them. So for like terms, you can only be added or subtracted. Okay, so for example, we have 10y plus 15y. They have the same variable, they have the same exponent, which I understood to be a 1 here, so that means I keep the variable and the exponent and just add or subtract the coefficients. Whether it's a plus, so I mean 10 plus 15 is 25. Alright, so 6m squared minus 12m minus 7m squared. Alright, so they all have m's, but you notice only these two have the squares. They're the same exponent. So therefore, these right here are like terms. This one is not, since this is not part of it. You just go ahead and you can write that over here. Since these are the same, I keep the variable and the exponent the same, and I'm just going to add or subtract the coefficients. 6 minus 7 is a negative 1, which is just negative m squared. Uh, 3 times the quantity x minus 2 minus 5 times the quantity x minus 8. Alright, so before I can add or subtract like terms, I have to get rid of the parentheses first. So in other words, I have to distribute. So I'm going to take 3 times x, 3 times 2, negative 5 times x, and negative 5 times negative 8. Now I can add like terms. Well, this has x, this has x. They have the same exponent. Right, so therefore I can subtract or add. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And this one and this one do not have any variables at all, so automatically means they are like terms. So negative 6 plus 40 is a positive 34. And then let's do one more. Alright, so let's take and distribute here. So that's 7x squared. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Negative 3 times x. And negative 3 times 4. Combine like terms. Well, this has x squared. This has x. So neither of these are like terms, so I can just go ahead and keep those. These are like terms because they had no variables at all. So therefore, I can go ahead and add or subtract them. So negative 21 minus 12, since the signs are the same, I can go ahead and add them. So it'll be negative 33.